Cavin Elizabeth, and I'm a wedding photographer based in San Diego. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about what you should be packing for the wedding. Now this is mostly geared towards brides, but I think if you are a groom watching this, hello, you might also find some value in this, or you can at least help out your bride with what to be packing for the day, because the bride usually has more stuff. The groom just needs to really worry about making sure that his entire outfit is there, and if he has a gift for the bride, whatever it may be, that's mostly it. Now, when it comes to women, you are going to want to make sure that you have all of your accessories and obviously your dress. So that's going to be a veil if you have one, all of your jewelry you're wearing, perfume if you want it, your shoes, your rings, all three of them. Make sure you don't leave any at home. So every single thing that you are putting on your body for the wedding day or carrying, such as a clutch or handbag, whatever it may be, anything you need to be bringing to the wedding day. Now the second one is toiletries. So anything that you need, like deodorant, please do not forget that. I have had brides forget their deodorant before. I've had to give them mine that I carry on me, but basically you need to make sure you have all sorts of things like that. So any toiletries you need, the shampoos that you love, your moisturizer, anything that is a must-have for you for that weekend as well as that day. I would also recommend to have some touch-up makeup. So if your makeup artist isn't giving any to you, maybe you bring some lipstick that you really love. Lipstick seems to wear off the soonest unless you want to be going with a matte lipstick, which can be a little bit drying. You could put some Vaseline or chapstick on top, but basically make sure that you have some sort of touch-up for that kind of thing. You could also have some powder if you want to make sure that you're not getting too oily. Whatever you normally do, don't do something different on the wedding day. Do something that you know works and you've tested and you know it looks good so that you're not going to be unhappy with it if you need it in a fix and it does not work out very well. Now when it comes to other outfits, you need to make sure that you're packing enough outfits for the entire weekend, as well as an after party outfit if you don't still want to be in your gown. So if you want to change it to something more comfortable, or even if you want to have a different dress or outfit for the reception altogether. I have seen brides change from dresses to really, really sleek and chic white jumpsuits. That is so cute right now. It's very fashionable. Whatever it may be, make sure that you have all of your clothing that you'd like to have. One thing you do need to have for your outfits is a steamer. If you have dresses for yourself or for the bridesmaids that might wrinkle, absolutely you need to have a steamer. Rent one, buy one, whatever it may be. You need to have one on site, and do not wait until right before photos are going to be taken to do this. Start steaming the day before. Start steaming when everybody wakes up. Whoever is not having their hair and makeup done, they're on the steamer. That is something that you should have done well before everybody needs to get into their gowns, because if it is not ready, that is going to make everything run late and you will lose time from portraits. I promise you, you do not want that. Last thing you really need to pack are snacks and water or Powerade. I love Powerade Zeros because they have electrolytes, they don't have calories. Do not spill it on your dress. Don't get any food near your dress that morning that could get onto it, or drinks. Do not have red wine in your room. Like, just don't even bring it in there. Only have clear type drinks, or be very careful if you have something like a Powerade. Maybe you can put it in some sort of a cup that you have, like a tumbler with a straw. If it is a colored drink, just be very careful. But you do need to be hydrating the day of your wedding, not only because you have a long day ahead of you, you're going to have to be talking to a lot of people, dancing, you do not want to be passing out, and you also want to maybe prevent a hangover the next day. So the more hydrated you are going into all of your drinking, the better you will feel the next day. So hydrate, 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 and then eat food. Do not think that you should not eat anything on your wedding day. I have seen brides not eat and then they get very faint at the reception and they don't feel well, and then that's just not fun for them. So make sure that you are eating that morning. You're eating every couple of hours at least, whether it's small little snacks or a larger meal, whatever works best for you. Have some protein bars, protein shakes, something small, something easy, something that's not too heavy. And again, beware of getting it on your dress or spilling it. Have napkins, have whatever you need to protect that dress from obvious food spills and drink spills. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Any other things that you would maybe want to bring have been maybe some family heirlooms or your invitations. That's super important. Anything that you want photographed or you want to have with you on the wedding day is something that should be in your bag to pack for your wedding day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!